To factory reset Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, you can use settings or the recovery mode. In order to erase all data by using settings, we can open phone settings over here, scroll down to general management, then we want to go to reset, and then over here scroll down to find factory data reset option. Here we have the summary of everything that will be removed, which is of course pretty much everything. So scroll all the way down and choose reset, enter the screen lock password, press continue, and then once again press delete all in order to perform the factory reset. Now, if you want to perform hard reset by using the recovery mode, then in that case we need to prepare the USB cable because we will need to connect our phone to a computer. But before we do that, first we need to turn off our phone. There we go. After that, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button, and we need to hold these two buttons. While holding these two buttons, after you start doing this, you want to immediately plug the USB cable into the phone. So connect the phone with the computer. And then once you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, you want to release the power button and just hold the volume up button. So press and hold power button and volume up, and then connect the USB cable. Now just hold volume up. And we are in the recovery mode. I'm gonna actually unplug the cable as we don't need it anymore. And now over here we navigate with the volume button. So use volume up and volume down in order to choose a different option. And we want to go to wipe data / factory reset. And confirm your choice by pressing the power button. Once you do that, you should select factory data reset and once again confirm with the power button. And if there are any additional instructions, then just follow them to erase everything from the phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.